Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal the secrets to achieving mastery in your Ielts exam and attaining that coveted Band 9 score. So, what does it take to crack the Ielts code and reach this level of excellence? First and foremost, extensive preparation is essential. Familiarize yourself with the exam format, understand the different sections, and practice. The more exposure you have to the exam structure, the better equipped you'll be to tackle it head-on. Additionally, focus on developing your language skills. Enhance your vocabulary by learning and using advanced words and idioms. Deepen your understanding of grammar, ensuring accuracy and complexity in your writing and speaking. The stronger your language foundation, the higher your chances of achieving a Band 9. Next, develop efficient time management techniques. The Ielts exam is time-sensitive, and being able to complete each section within the allocated time is crucial. Learn effective strategies to pace yourself, enabling you to maximize your productivity without sacrificing quality. Furthermore, pay attention to the examiner's expectations. Become familiar with the assessment criteria and tailor your answers accordingly. Strive for coherence, cohesion, and relevance in your writing and speaking, while showcasing a deep understanding of the task at hand. Lastly, maintain a positive mindset and stay motivated throughout your preparation journey. Remember that achieving a Band 9 is not an overnight success. It requires dedication, discipline, and perseverance. Keep pushing yourself, and you will see progress over time. In conclusion, cracking the Ielts code and achieving Band 9 mastery is within your reach. With thorough preparation, strong language skills, efficient time management, attentive to examiner expectations, and a positive mindset, you can conquer the Ielts exam and attain the score of your dreams. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and updates. Good luck on your Ielts journey.